Namaskar and welcome back to Linux Fundamentals. We are going through the demonstration of various general purpose utilities in Linux. So in this video we will see the next general purpose utility, that is date command. So the date command will give you or display you the system date. So what is the system date of what is the date of today? So the system date will be shown when you use this command. So the syntax is date plus sign, and you have to provide format specifiers. The format specifiers will allow you to display the date in specific formats. So let's have a look at the examples. So these are the format specifiers that can be used with the date command. So you have %d that will display you the day of the month, %y that will display you the last 2 digits of the year. If you want to display the time in hours, minutes and seconds, so you will see the capital H, capital M and capital S. Capital D will show you the date in the format of MMDD and YY, that is month, date and year. And capital T will display you the date in the hours, minutes and seconds. So let's have the demonstration of the date command. So let's move to the terminal. So here's the terminal. Now we will use the date command. So date. So by simply typing the date, it shows you the date as well as the time. So if you want to display the date in a specific format, suppose we just want to display the date, so the current only the date, so we'll see how to display the date. So now we will be using the format specifier. So in using plus, and in single quotes we'll use %d, close the single quotes and enter. So here you can see it shows you the only the date of the month. If you want to display the year along with the date, then we can go for the format specifier date plus %D. So this will give you the entire date. So there are many other format specifiers that we can use with date. So if you want to display the time, so we can use the format specifiers, that is in single quotes %H, %M for minutes and %S for seconds, and it shows you the date. This shows you the time, so it is 16 hours 5 minutes and 44 seconds. So this is how we display the date. If you want to further know about the more format specifiers, we can use the man command we saw in one of the previous videos. So in the man command, using the man command, we can see the date. So man space date will show you the date. So it shows you the description about the date, and it shows you how to use date. So when you scroll down further, you will see these are the various format specifiers that can be displayed. So you can see the %d shows you the date, day of the month, %D, %E. So there are many format specifiers that can be used with date command as per the need. So whatever format you want to display the date, we can use the format specifier and display the date command. So this is how we use the date command with various format specifiers to display the date in the required format. So in the next video we will see a new utility. Thanks for watching the video. If you have liked the video, please click on the like button and share your views and suggestions with us by writing in the comment section below, and encourage us by subscribing to our channel. And please do not forget to click on the alert bell so that you don't miss our upcoming videos on our channel. So see you in the next video. Till then, take care, stay safe. Thank you.